Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. The first step is to power off your HP 14EF laptop and unplug it from any power source. This ensures your safety while working on the device. Next, locate the screws on the bottom panel of your laptop. Use the Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Remember to keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later to reassemble your laptop. If you're unsure about the number of screws or their placement, refer to the HP service manual for your specific model. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Be cautious to avoid damaging any clips or connectors inside. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. After successfully removing the panel, you will have access to the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the touchpad connector. It is typically found near the area where the touchpad is situated. Gently disconnect it by lifting the connector latch. If you're having trouble locating the connector, a quick online search for HP 14EF touchpad connector can provide you with visual references. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This can help improve the overall performance of your laptop. If you're not comfortable doing this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your device is in safe hands. After cleaning, reconnect the touchpad connector securely, ensuring it clicks back into place. Next, it's time to test the touchpad functionality. Before reassembling, power on the laptop and check if the touchpad responds as expected. If it still isn't functioning correctly, you may want to look into adjusting the touchpad settings in the control panel. To adjust the touchpad settings, navigate to the mouse settings in the control panel. Here, you can change sensitivity, scrolling speed, and other preferences. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, power down your laptop again and carefully replace the bottom panel. Reinsert all screws using the Phillips screwdriver, ensuring they are tight but not overly so to avoid stripping. Finally, power on your laptop one last time to confirm everything is working smoothly. If you need a quote before repair services in the future, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, our goal is to provide you with a seamless experience, which is why we focus on no calls, no travel. You can manage everything from the comfort of your home. Following these steps should enhance your touchpad experience significantly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.